Hello students, welcome to KnowEdge. Today we shall start exercise number 3.5 from chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 CBSE NCERT syllabus. We are on the first question now. It says, which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. So we have to find the solution for these equations, and if it is a unique solution, then we have to use a cross multiplication method to find x and y. So let's start the first part. The given equations are x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. And I hope you all remember that in our earlier videos we have discussed about the criteria that we need to see while solving the linear equations. They are a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. This means that if the linear equations satisfy this criteria, then they will form intersecting lines. So while intersecting, they meet at one point. So this point will be the number of solution. So since there is only one point of contact here, this means that they will give us an unique solution. The next thing is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This means that they will form coincident lines. So throughout the point where they meet each other, they will have infinite number of solutions. And then the last one is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. These kind of equations will give us parallel lines, meaning that they will not meet anywhere. So since they do not meet anywhere, there is no solutions for these kind of equations. Okay, so let's start and see what criteria these equations satisfy. If it satisfies and give us a unique solution, then we have to go ahead using cross multiplication method to find the value of x and y. So let's see. a1 and a2 are the coefficients of the x variable. So a1 is here, the coefficient of x is 1, so let's write 1. a2 is equal to, the coefficient is 3. b1 is minus 3, we have to use, so this is minus 3. b2 is minus 9. c1 is minus 3 and c2 is minus 2. So now let's start a1 by a2. Our a1 by a2 is 1 by 3. Our b1 by b2 is minus 3 by minus 9. Our c1 by c2 is minus 3 by minus 2. Here, as we can see that 1 by 3 is already in the simplest form, so we cannot do anything about it. So the next one is b1 by b2, it's minus 3 by minus 9. There are two minus signs here, so we can cancel it. Now we can see that they can be cancelled using a common number. So we can use 3 for cancelling this. So 3 goes one time here and 3 3s are 9. So this is 1 by 3. Same way here we can cancel the minus sign. Now but this cannot be cancelled using a common number, so we cannot do anything about it. So here it is that 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 2. As we can see, we can write it over here. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Right, here 1 by 3, here 1 by 3, but this is not 1 by 3. This is different. So this is cannot be equal to the other two. So therefore here we saw that when it satisfies this criteria, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, they form parallel lines, so they won't give you any solution. So let's write it. These equations will form parallel lines and hence there are no solutions. So since they do not give us any solution, we cannot go ahead for finding x and y. So if they give us a unique solution, then we will have to use the cross multiplication method to find it. So that's all for now. Spend some quality time with KNOW every day to reach your goal, and don't forget to subscribe. There are more videos coming your way. Until we meet next time, bye bye.